And Merry Christmas to everyone. In this video, we're going to reharmonize We Wish You a Merry Christmas because I do wish you a Merry Christmas. It's actually December the 24th here in Toronto, Canada. And for those of you that it's already December the 25th, such as Singapore and Australia and Japan and China, Merry Christmas to everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to do a reharmonization. So if you take a look at the sheet of music that we have on the screen, this is a very simple version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So if I played the first couple of lines, it's give or take. Now, what we want to do is we want to turn that into jazz. So we start thinking about chords and how we can actually fill out those chords, make them richer, more dissonant, and just add more to the piece. So the first thing I think about is, where are my destination chords? Now, in any tonal center, like the key of C or any other key, there's two major scales that come out of that original scale. So if this is the C major scale, there's that major scale, and then there's the F major scale. It's just there's no B flat, which makes it a sharp 11. But those are the two major chords out of one single scale. So those are two tonal centers. So right away, that's a destination chord, and that is a destination chord. And then that is as well. Everything else kind of just moves towards those spots. So what we try to do is think about cadences, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with the term cadence, but it's basically either 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 that we can put in front of those, and then can we put another cadence in front of those chords as well. So the first one here is we're going from G to C. So we could do this, or we could do the tritone substitution of G, which is D flat with a sharp 11, because that's this note here. So think of it like E flat over D flat, just to get a chord going towards the first destination. So okay, and then our next destination chord is F. Here's the problem though. In getting there, there's a B natural, this note right here. So if you think about 5 of F, that's C7. But the problem with C7 is it's got a B flat in it. So it's like, which would be really nice, except you can't do that with the B natural in the melody. It sounds like this. You've got this minor ninth, which is, essentially a very harsh chord. So you have to think about other things you can do there. So what we're going to do instead is, I think we're going to do passing notes in the bass instead. So we're going to go from A to G on those last two notes and then make our way to F. So get some movement happening down. And then just keep going and put a passing note in front of D, which is the E, and that'll take us eventually to D. So and it really should be an eighth note like that. Okay, so and I like those chords actually. I would just add a little more dissonance to them. So D minor 7th, G7, maybe with a flat 9, we could try that. Just kind of nice. And this is definitely E7 flat 9 going to the A minor chord. And a lot of times what you'll want to do is put an extra passing chord in front of the destination, in this case, which is A minor. So you're thinking, well, B flat 7 with a, it's got the third in the melody. So just think of it like, a B flat diminished chord like this. So F, A flat, B natural, and D. That's your B diminished over B flat. Let's see where we got so far. So we need another passing chord in front of the G7. Let's put A flat 7 again. It's just a tritone substitution of D7. And see how that sounds. That's nice because you've got this note here, which is the sharp 11. I like that. So get rid of this C chord and let's put an E flat here with a sharp 11. E flat 7, sharp 11, which is the A natural. And then just do a 2-5-1 of C. So we're always looking for 2-5. So get rid of all of this. Do D minor 7 to G7 flat 9 to C. And you could do a sus, C sus to C major 7. Cool, that's going to work so far. Let's move on to the next page, which is the last half of the tune. And then we have this. Actually, I think they even wrote this wrong. This should just be a G. So that's a destination chord. So. Okay, so this is the interesting thing. I like this chord here, the A minor 7 chord, except instead of G here, let's just put a 2-5 in front of that. So you got B half diminished sevenths to E flat 7, or sorry, E7, not E flat. E7 flat 9 to A minor 7. That's a typical minor 2-5. So. We need to get to G, so. So let's put A flat 7, which is the tritone substitution of D7. So with flat 9 in the melody, which is the A natural. So flat 9, A flat 7, flat 9. And put a sus chord here going to G, right? So. And then it's C, no? Oh, let's just go to. I think that's an E minor chord. So. Yeah, so this whole thing just should be 3. This is 3 minor 7 to 6. To 2, to 5, to 1. So that's a typical turnaround. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So that means instead of all of this, you've got E minor 7 to A minor 7 to D minor 7 to G7 to 1. Actually, not A minor 7. It should just be A7. Yeah, so let's get rid of this minor here, just make it A7. Okay, so it'd be D flat instead of G7. Okay, let's try the whole tune and see what we've got. And that's how to reharmonize a simple tune like We Wish You a Merry Christmas, which I do. I wish you a Merry Christmas, and we just reached 1,000 subscribers. So if you'd like to join the 1,000 people that just joined, you can go and do that too. That would be really nice. Get some more subscribers happening to the channel, and hit the little bell if you want to be notified, because we're posting like a lot of videos all the time and you want to be notified. So that'd be really cool. So from me and my family to you and yours, have a very Merry Christmas. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for your time.